Alright, so basically on my 10th video, I'm gonna start doing a different game. I'm not gonna tell you what Oogie boogie!
Ow, wait.
Okay. Oh, who is that? It was blue. It was a blue. Oh, you're blue.
No, I'm not blue. I'm a vending machine.
Oh, yeah, you are. Yo, go down. Come up here, vending machine. Now stand there. I'm gonna get a Coke real quick, though. Thank you. Now, bye. I don't think it's a moving vending machine, so I'm just gonna pop. I'm just gonna open my Coke and let's go. Is the vending machine moving? Vending machine just moved. Yo, vending machine, you good? Yo, vending machine. I'm coming up there. Oh my god. Well, looks like since the vending machine's right there, I'm gonna go up here. I just saw that. Okay, I'm out of here.
You're going to need. You don't want a Coke?
No, I don't. No.
Insert coins for Coke.
No.
Insert coin.
Okay, I will. Like that. How about you get some? How about you get some coins for your own Coke? Like that. I need to stop singing in my video. I need to stop.
You. Coins.
Okay. When are you gonna stop chasing me? This feels like a manhunt. Yo, bro, this feels like a manhunt. Yo, did I just see the lights change color?
Otherwise, you die.
Oh, hey, the lights change color. I didn't know that. We have had this update for a little bit now. Still don't know that the lights change color. Get you, you're fire. You're fire. You don't have any aimbot. Like that.
That's the one who's literally broke. You can't even
This is my favorite map because I'm the best at this map. I'm pretty good at this map. Mister, where are you? Mister? And I like that. I got some
I forgot, this is a plastic gun, so that's why you're not dead.
Oh. Was it made out of was it made out of Coca-Cola cans and was it made out of cans and bottle caps? Not like bottle caps, but like can caps.
No. It was made in the 17th century.
Oh. Wait.
Leonardo da Vinci, even though he was a painter, I don't care. He's gonna be a designer in my story. Insert cash, and I will die.
Oh, that was easy. No, bye. Wait, what did I just see? Oh, it's the rainbow. Taste the rainbow. Taste the rainbow. Feel the rainbow. Eat the rainbow. What did I hear? Did You're so scary whenever you talk. Whenever you breathe, you're like a demon.
I can get up, I'm fine.
If you're in here and you hear somebody breathe really pant, then they sound like a demon.
Still in here, little.
I will find you one day.
I'm right here.
How dare you push me off?
Off that ledge, you will pay the price. And the price is $1.99.
No!
I'll stop following you.
No, please! I already put $1 bill into you.
I need another one to stop.
Okay, fine.
Yeah.
Come up here and I'll give
Then
you
I'll
it.
go back to be a normal vending machine, but for now, I will torture you.
Come up here and I'll give it to
every day of
you.
your life until you give me your dollar. Dollar, please.
Okay.
Thank you.
And then he push you and then oh! Oh, he just jumped down. I thought he died. Bong. See, that's really cool. I can like run towards and then bong. Oh, I did it wrong. Bong. Yeah, there. That's really cool if you're like in the middle of a thing and you're like. Oh. Come on. Come on, we can do it.
I give something to charity.
Mr. Vending Machine Man, come here.
Please insert $1.
Oh,
You
there
insert
you
a
are.
dollar.
I'm coming.
$1 is
coming.
gonna go to charity. We love helping charity.
Cherry? I don't
And
really
it'll
like
be a
cherries.
dream of ours if you can give us $1 so we can help kids in charity.
Oh, okay.
Thank you for the $1 bill. Now, I will go give it to charity. Which charity do you want it to go to?
I don't know.
Okay. I'm going to choose it to a charity in my choice. So you go on with your day. Thank you. And always insert $1. Bye.
Insert $100.
Thank you. This is going to charity. And this is why I'm poor. I give all my money to charity.
Yeah, that's right.
But thank you for the $101 for charity. It means a lot to
And then
me.
I push you
And
down.
file not found.
Insert $1,000. Maybe that will make him wake up.
Thank you for inserting the $1,000 to charity.
Okay.
Have
Bye.
a good one.
Also, what do you want me to name the video?
Name it. Vending machine is in. Vending machine is Okay, vending machine has gone crazy.
Shouldn't I just name it Vending
Goodbye.
Machine Man? Because I'm
I'm
recording right now.
Oh, then maybe venting machine problems. I don't know.
I don't know.
Thank you for
I don't
the
know either, so that's why I
$1,000.
asked you.
And as always, harass people in Gorilla Tag. And have a good one. Goodbye.
I don't like that. I don't think you should do. All right. Well, looks like that's where we're gonna end.